i-WAFCON kuthiwa i-WAFCON ani sayike uyikhangela kakhulu nxa uthi mebhence izimba iqualifyanga ebukele
AFCON
i-WAFCON
hayi angibuke
abukeli i-WAFCON Saverize abukeli i-WAFCON
angabukeli nje ndesengike
madoda but abukeli i-WAFCON
ngabukela iGhana is winner 6 something lapha ngabukela iSouth Africa beyidla ngabukela just a few games then
ibhora labafazi elitshintshini
lingcono because South Africa is a dominating team but indlela chama iTanzania that day iTanzania izangijume yachaya fair
le Nigeria iMalawi yachacha
iMalawi adlala futhi iMalawi neNigeria ngalibona but aliqeda but ibhora lakhona selitshintshile mpitha
iMalawi lomunye Cherona unje uCaster Semenya nje alona lona yakhulela amadoda
lokho lo ngubabra lwana
eZambia ubhande maya kula lutho
alona bulala no
ubhanda manje akula lutho kulochero eMalawi ogqoka u10 olethindizwe ngani green abdalo ngamgugla nje ukucheka alwa awujethi bukelani wafukhona kwezithi next time agame asidlala Zimbabwe iyaphuma everywhere even SABC SABC on screen iyaphuma iyaphuma everywhere
isikhathi sawo isikhathi sawo
that team ya qualifier yo akula vini one
iWorld Cup ibikhipha wanungela wona
akula vini
official is la asla official uBrighton kana banga nje uthi mina
uBrighton ukuva
uBrighton ukuva
but akuya mntu ongumfazi
uBrighton
just because it seems like his standard isabo refu bethu abafaza siyalu improve
hayi vele eZimbabwe yanga
orefu
vele singake sibe lo refu ngumfazi antu umbone lo nto yenzeni
alright yazikule enye i-video yani kodwa ngifuna ukutshengisa yona angazi umbelekela yayibona angikwazi lizothini ngayo bemfuna siphonga ukudlula kiyo nje 2 minutes but aso yamanje umenzi zathi ayilokhuza umenzi zathi ayifake lapha abantu beyibona ngubambanana wayiphi i-woman of the match.
Congratulations on your individual award. How are you feeling?
Thank you. It was a tough game, but I'm glad we managed to have 3 points. This is not for me. It's for the my wife at home.
Mana ngenza njenge comment leli
Play udlulisela abanye ngifuna siringa ngayo.
Thank you so much.
Just 2 seconds. That's why bembusti wafukhona yabukela yini. Umenze iplay zathu benza ifake lapha sizwa ama viewers ukuthi bathini nga.
Congratulations on your individual award. How are you feeling?
Thank you. It was a tough game, but I'm glad we managed to have 3 points. This is not for me. It's for the team and my wife at home. Thank you so much. This is not for me. It's for the team and my wife at home. Thank you so much.
So lapha wena uthi sibukela abafazi njoba lo ngumfazi uthi this is for me and my wife
at home
so tina sabe sibukeleni manje khonapha
ikobe
uzama ukusithelana lapho uthi asibukela wena sikubukele sithi ngumfazi asomfazi wena nje.
What motivation does she give as a role model to other girls there?
Baniki context alright. So Chero YP woman of the match. So mbuzo ukuthi
how do you feel about this?
Ngathi was very well ubuza. Wasekhuluma ukuthi hayi man of the match aso yakhe ama teammates lo mfazi wakho sendlini. Bemfuna ubuza ukuthi kuwe kuhlala njani.
Ayabona for abantu abale ubuntu especially for us Zimbabweans. Izinto ze same sex marriage lezivele into esinganjani. Abantu abangazange bazivumela kumbe njani. So sibone ngomunye umuntu olomntwana oyinkazana ole potential to play. Umzali wakhe yakwanisa ukuthi la uzagcina ususenza njengalo uselithandana lamanye amankazana okuyinto enjani
wrong exactly.
Abantu
bemfuna umbona lo ukuthi kade wazithi ku wrong
yiko vele ngutho
butho yayizinto yakho
ngiyayizwa kakhulu vele yona i-marriage it's intended for i-reproduction where abantu abangu-2 with opposite sex, they meet and they reproduce. But when you are of the same sex and say you have got a wife,
Laba mvule ithiwa Pandora's box. But anyway,
so I'm saying you realize ukuthi out of the 54 nations as khona Africa, only South Africa is the one which legalizes same-sex marriage. And
Africa yonke.
Africa yonke is only South Africa, one. So now you come out.
Man wakumfact checked into le.
This one I'm phone fact check. I'm telling you for a fact. It's only South Africa.
Mina nje angikwazi mfuna umuntu ozamfact checkela enje.
It's only South Africa.
Check
So isembentu inekhulunywa ngolokuzenini ngisaverisa for the first time mfunga uvumelana ukuthi ubuntu bethu akuvumi, because out of 54 and you find out only one country, which means our ethics and njengabantu akuvumi ukuthi umuntu mina ngithi nje indoda endlini. Ngithiwa khona buto congratulations with it wewe namhlanje ngithi hayi ngiyabonga lokho it means a lot, especially to my husband at home. Come on somebody, come on.
Uyazi ukuthi umbuzo ombusiya ngikho ngenze example ka Caster yakhumbula uCaster bambhala
uCaster bamcheka but lokho azange ngicheka.
But into ekhona kade
athletics
there's another good news engike ngayibona. uCastro Coventry anti ngupresident
Olympics
ubhane laba abe transgender and I wanted these days usuthola mashudu sebehambe bajintsha gender wathi yena usenguMavis sefuna ukuya computer labafazi okuyinto enjani okuyinto oku discover ukuthi is not fair.
So uyazi umbuzo wami bemfuna sipho ukuthi sidlule nje entweni ukuthi njengoba uCaster wabhana, is it fair to umfazi ongumfazi, because ngike ngachecka i-team njenge Cabo Verde mina yabukeli iCabo Verde ngabo Cherry yabo bonke laba ngo Cherry sibili lakho sisi
abahle
ubudla nje subjective
kodwa abantu bekefu
but ubudla nje was subjective.
Exactly.
Ubudla is subjective but yabona laba ngo Cherry bedlala labo Cherry laba abantu abafazi emakhaya
uthi she's a woman but not that type of a woman.
Yabona into ekhuluma ibiza ilokuzenini ama questions amaningi than answers, because uCaster Semenya never made those comments even though everybody knew that ukuthi khona ole girlfriend yakhe endlini wayehamba public with that, but he never make those public, but just for her appearance, because appearance yomuntu sometimes uNkulunkulu abeyenzile. So why is a failure that appearance when why check webhano now and again, but this one now uyazikhulumela publicly ukuthi uchiya umfazi endlini, which means kaso umfazi uyindoda.
No, into engitsho yazi ngithini butho, ngithi besikhuluma kathi ngo Barbara Banda lo dikhuluma lo Cherano imali awude ngitshela uthi awumboni ngani umjila but abe nguCherry, then bedlala labo Cherry ku fair.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's leave this one. It's a topic for another day. Anyway, guys, welcome to Deb 3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is a pass. Abakukhuzile kuma comments. Cithi phone already. This is a pass and move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Proudly brought to you by our number one sponsor, Lucky Bets. Ngiyafiwa nje Lucky Bets kuningi emfuna siqalise ngakho. Firstly, ngifuna sinikeze ama winners we've got. People who, the competition is still running, by the way. Ubutho ngoyo proudly chicken in uhlezi khanyeni. Let me do this. Let me check the winners. Abaziwinele into zabo. I've got the names here. All right. What imba announce kuhle from the way to go. All right. Yes, I've got the number there. Now wayenza esathu kwenze, I think ama-gents azafaka the competition ekhumula butho ngo ubakhumbuze sabalungisa amabizo abo kuhle.
Yeah, the competition is still on, and the competition is simple. The rules is like
ama-jezi maningi.
play today and win a chicken in replica. So you only go to Lucky Bets. Now we would our account Lucky Bets. It's luckybets.co.zw and log on and create an account there. Then you deposit your money, which is $5 with your Inpax, Omari, or EcoCash. Then after depositing, place a bet. Then take a screenshot and you send to the number which is always being sent on your screens there. So after doing that, you will be called like lava sebebizwa lapha then isuphiwa ilokuzeni ini t-shirt yakho.
All right, ngicela I've got Romeo Kajeni. Romeo Kajeni.
One.
Romeo Kajeni ngibe lo Tinashe Shailoku Mukuzumbi.
Two.
Nikeza wena ngowe chickenini. Ngibe lo Masiza Ncube.
Three.
Masiza Ncube lawa mbona bazazi. Ngibe lo bathi yena ngo Tinashe Mujuru.
Four.
Tinashe Mujuru la uziwinele khona pana. Ngibe lo Thombane lo ibizo lakhe ngani Philip Onondo. Hey. Philip Onondo. Philip Onondo la uziwinele. Kulo munye lapha ucila mbalo Philip Onondo imbizi yakhe. Kulo munye ngimeqele oyeqo icomputer la. Umjuru imbizi la. Hayi ogcina sizamkhala singaqedi isikhathi. Ngizamkhala but kulo please do likewise uzwinele lawe ijezi yakho le chicken siyakunika into zakho asincithane zikhona proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. Lucky Bets never disappoints.
Yeah.
Remember Saturday uVevi sinikeze over
More than 10.
more than 10 ama replicas our chicken akhona guys do likewise iposter likhona khona apho yenza nje khona apho khona
And
apho
what is disappointing is that only 6 people managed to register and send forward.
so far
Ikubona
We
nanka
need-
ama t-shirt akhona ngu6 ayahambelana laba kusika ukuthi kuyathiwa khona siphakamisa i-t-shirt eyi-1 sithi 1 2 3 4 5 6 nanka ngu6
Manengi vele.
and maningi ama t-shirts
exactly
are waiting for you,
so
especially the Game Cooks fans lani zamanini join Lucky Bets, your sponsor, and they will give you a t-shirt.
so guys into le angazi ngayikhuluma but isizindlukumezi ukuthi ngayikhulumelani uthi this year lokho esiqalisile each and every week masiqalisa ishow RIP rest in peace rest in peace rest in peace eBoreni abantu khanya ngumnyaka onzima eBoreni kulesikhathi I remember very well okwahamba ama musicians so it's another sad week. We lost Wislo Grabowski. Yamazu Grabowski nje.
Former coach of Warriors.
But ama-Warriors kacoacha kakhulu yena imbiri yakhe uGrabowski nxa ngithi yachecka uyenze kakhulu ma-under 23 lana aba lodumo ngo-1995 All Africa Games. If you were around during that time usuhlakaniphile njengami mina sengihlakaniphile
Usukhokho.
ngo-95 ngase ngihlakaniphile eBeef ngangikwanisa ukuthi ngikwanjele because umdala wami wayesipana kuma All Africa Games lapha ikhe ngabona khona oMethembe beshayina kulama twins amanye ayiblind uKendo Abel ungaba google uKendo Abel they very dangerous ama under 23 wona la anahlupha kakhulu adliwa eEgypt ku final babedlala kakhulu eBeef so ama finals versus Egypt wayehambise national sports Egypt yasirakasha 3-0 uGrabowski ngowephekile team lena I think umuntu engimkhumbula from the top of my head onga bakwazi kuhle uGrabowski nguNorman Mabheza because Norman Mabheza went on to play Champions League football was representa kahle nje ecountry nguye umuntu ongaba lolwazi ngabafana bakaGrabowski. That's how much Grabowski did for the country. Ungabala the likes of washinga igawundira ngabafana bakaGrabowski. So uGrabowski played a pivotal role kakhulu ebhoreni laseZimbabwe. Then this morning sivuka futhi Islanders is plunged into morning again. Angazi umbebezele ezweni.
Yeah, utho finance officer uMamkandla ukusearcha ephansi kulo season abakapholi amanxeba asuka kwenzakala last week abantu abangu4 ababhubhile kwaIslanders sokutshona futhi omunye so nganto yakhona sokuyigame khona kuyinto real life akusachaza into yakhona but kuyintando kaNkuluNkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu ngumnikazi wempilo ngazake sikuphikise
ngobe ngo-finance officer sihlalisiwe eMkandla sithi rest in peace and condolences to the whole football fraternity, Islanders family, laba ngibo lathi silahlekile siyi-pass and move Masutu Islanders family so kuphinde kwalehlela dark cloud again to Islanders this week.
Isikhathi baba isikhathi ngokusho ngubutho umlimi ulendlela yakhe yokwenza izinto ukuthi mase kwenzile angeke usaphikisa and then thina vele singabantu mele sifana njengoDavid uDavid uthi umntana wakhe mase efitshonile uthi nikezana amanzi lokudla ngidle ngeze sometimes umlimi mase yenza intando akula into ongaphikisa baba bekuyisikhathi akula muntu offer vele abantu bethi hayi bekuntswempu uthi hayi hayi umuntu onkufa ngesikhathi sakhe.
Yeah, and I think we fire kuhle bese kuyisikhathi. Then on a positive note, gents, ngayikhuluma the Deb band is launching officially umthandazo the album. Lokho kusondela. Namhla is the 3rd of August. So say the 12 days on the 15th of August launching umthandazo the album launch eBulawayo Theatre. My invitation we've sent abantu they are eager bamelele iDeb 3 nxa ngwazi ngeDeb 3 iDeb 3 we've got a recording studio, we've got photo and video studio, we also do events so iDeb 3 iDeb band is part of a portfolio to a studio khona. There's a lot that we do but this one I'm eager for this one because umthandazo the album you can list is there on all digital platforms. You can listen to the album. We're officially launching it on the 15th of August. Gents, let's get the show on the road. Let's start Munu Mutapa. Last week it was a different show. We know what so we to touch a lot about that, but Satina says khohlo ukuthi singene ku this week. I think the Khasilaka Premier Soccer League Emilia Iko. We've got the Munu Mutapa Cup which is happening. It draw yayenzo I think it's 2 weeks 2 weeks back.
Yaqala ngeFriday.
Ngiyafiwa kunenge emfuna sikuthinde kodwa but let's look at the draw first. Munu Mutapa iqasa ngeFriday 7 August and eMajita Aqua Stars take on iChile Football Club mhla 7 then
eLuveve Stadium
Luveve. Then Saturday the 8th of as ihlekile yayiphanjanisiwe ifixture but Saturday the 8th of August Moz takes on Rentals, FC Oden takes on Scotland, Bulawayo Chiefs takes on Agama, Marere takes on FC Platinum, Moz takes on Chiteke, Black Rock takes on Highlanders, Gwanda Pirates takes on Jordan. Then Sunday Scotland Academy takes on Cape United, Ikwekwe takes on Hard Rock Chawanda, ZPC Kariba takes on Triangle Nyamunga, Simba Bora takes on Manika, Norton Big Boys versus Hunters, Tail One versus Blanket Mine, Chicken Inn versus Ngezi, Eluveve Sunday. Then the final game is Iwange the late Dynamos. Ama fixtures aphuma sabona gents. What's your take on the fixtures? Because kulomunye umuntu okwabuza omunye umbuzo wathi what was the point of having a home and away draw if ama-teams lawa abe home engasoze esebenzisa ama-stadium abasebenzisayo siqalisele khona
Ikade ngifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi ngesikhathi iphuma kwakuthiwa ama-venues should be announced. Now asephumile ama-venues, then ama-venues eselectwa ngikwazi umbani oselectileyo ukuthi baselectile njani, especially it's an advantage especially to the lower teams, disadvantage rather, because ngaphandle nxa ukuthi khona imali in terms of finance ukuthi bebhatalisa abantu maybe, but khona kana ukuthi i-FC Odeni ngayibiza iScotland esikwakweni sayo ngale kade kube advantage kulokuzeni Odeni because abajayelanga iTEF sebesiyadlala iTEF ukuthi kuTEF one lokuzenini playing against Scotland, they are going to be on a disadvantage. Same things omarele labo FC Platinum bayabedlala kuma lokuzenini eChawanda ku carpet bona bedlala ukugijimisa ebhuqwini.
Yakwazi sesibuyela ngaphi futhi nasukhuluma njalo ukuthi kathi njoba kungela stadium esi-approved by CAF,
obabalekile Mike
njoba kungela stadium esi-approved by CAF vela why vele kungasifananeli kufana na ukuthi kuyadlalelwa esikolo kuhanjwe kuyadlalelwa esikolo because i-ground yesikolo le yasefuna ukubahambisa kiyo konke ku-approve
because
ngayiCAF
the ground esikole yiba fixe kunale lapho sebekhona ani bedlala ezikwakwini vele kwanda parents bexotshanisa ngapha kulozenini so kuchiyane ngabe kwadesi.
I think i-Kwanda Pirates is safe isebenzisa iphela ndaba e-home, but for amanye ama-team like uthola ukuthi i-Black Rock is taking on i-Islanders Football Club sebese Korea but ngabe dlala bona basebenzisa i-Black Rock
chakona
liyane engekho engasokolear esewange but okuncane lokho ngokusesikolo la kwathi
chakona not sure
akukho esikole
but i-fixture le yani ama-giant ayakhala la
but i-advantage manje kuma-giant la nxa izakhala obvious ukukhala ukuthi Porala Johnson but ukukhala bazakhala
because yona kalethi ubona ukuthi i-Dynamo singaphuma yini kuwange kwa
hayi wange ngala unzima
kodwa iwange ngathi idlwe lokuzeni nge-weekend
ukuphapha yi-mistake eZimbabwe kuphatsho
uphapha njani
ukuhamba ngenteke
bawina ziningi zihamba inteke ziwina lokhana ukuthi improve ibhola
kwaso i-ZPC Carib ngeframachina
but kodwa sesijula ndokubona ku-FA Cup e-England ama-teams ungathiwa mepence i-Wrexham is drawn against i-Chelsea esebenzisa istadium noma singazi sile 3000 i-capacity basebenzisa sona lesi abatshintshi
kanti menu izidlwe lapha ne-team sorry izidlwe endlela estadium lesincane
sasisincane ebadla ama-penalty phela kwakuyistadium esincane so lambe ngizitshela ukuthi they will follow maybe the same format ukuthi
kibe yimuntu umtapa
ibe yimuntu kukhanya ukuthi vele
cultural
you understand kukhanya ukuthi icup
yakhona raising ama-team amancane
you understand ukuthi nxa vele bona bevele besebenzisa lesi stadium besebenzise sona lesi
but nonetheless we thank them for the initiative. It's a good thing.
It's a good thing, yeah.
You have to look at the positive and the negative side. Of course, ngathi maybe bazama ukuthi khona bethola ama revenues since it's a round of 32 ukuthi kade sisokubhadaliswa imali nganje. I-price abakhuluma but I think iyabifuza ibe-cheaper than ilokuzenini.
Ilokuzenini. Abakhuluma i-price?
Because last time was $1
izifa unit carbon ingabe ama preliminary
because ngiyahamba ukuyela imuntu mtapa versus imawabeni versus akho
anti lawana vela ama lower divisions idola
but kuyafana naba still the same cup
but khathi sidlala le ngama Giants
but still the same cup
same cup but hayi level selithi ngale bangaba ama preliminary
madoda indlela abantu abadliwa ngaphandle la lo tshona usethi
Jekon nje i-Black Rock nxa idlala e-stadium sayo dola khathi is hosting ya Islanders eCollier kube idola futhi
ifuze la benefit at least nxa uthi imali yakho niya ku Black Rock right nxa isiya kumuntu umtapa ilanda abadola
understand so level selitshintshile they are now being drawn against the Giants
but khathi na ukuthi nasesikhulumela ukuthi ibhora mele ihambe wangele abantu labani they've been deprived ibhora for a long time since they la premier team and idoli right mina ngisole even labanye ukuthi umuntu la njengoba ngehlule ukufaka 2 rand kusiyafika imatch day yini eceleni ukuthi la ebukela idola nale
vele manje umtapa lokho mlambwani konke akuzokuyephila lokho kuthiwa kumbe idola makuthiwa uyakhupha kwathiwa $2 cause lokana yinto nje aso into engamotivate abantu kakhulu ukuthi bethi hayi
Athe icup la.
hayi ukuthi bethi $5 it's a cup thina as we know sports we know ukuthi bafake emalini but ebantwini abaningi the fact ukuthi umuntu ngathi this is a cup manje izinga lokukhangela imatch liyatshintsha emuntwini ungathi this is a cup kwale indlini kwalanga ungathi this is a cup umuntu uyatshintsha kuloko zenze yabo so mina mbona ngani khona nje usungisavereza ukuthi idola it's a good deal lokho zenze idola njalo uyawazi konje ngathi $2 Highlanders versus twa kwini but Roku twa kwini khona kwama team vele
uzalibamba
yazi Highlanders bayidlalisa lo nyoma ama team twa kwini Baroko
Black Rock
oh Highlanders versus Black Rock yale ungazi $2 baba I can assure you ukuthi even istadium ngeke sigcwale kuba
ekhona
hayi asithi khona beBF ngeke sigcwale just because it's a cup
ababuya abantu
mabuya party asingeke lapha ngikutsho ukubuya babuya abantu
ithani mose esekhulera
lechipangana
because $2 it's enough bafethu
so ewangiba kholisa ibhora ama Giants okasekhulera and I think even baze bethi $3 or $5 la le
hayi $5
yazi msekela ipoint
$5
ngisefuna usekela ipoint akabutho ngama lower division teams let them make money Giants nxa izadliwa at least esale ele cash
ndoda ama benefits elokhuza lana because angalathi singabantu asingadlalisi drain lathi sike sikholise ukusubsidizelwa ndo
oyi benefit yethu
benefit yethu
butho akucheke ilokhuzeni ibhora leli uthi lebe limalini because mina to me nxa ama team especially to the lower division teams maybe that's why bethe beyafaka ema stadiums angana ngcono bekuBaobab bekuBokholiari bekuBoluveve for them to make money at least nxa bedliwa kuma round lawo
uyawazi lina inkinga yini for them to make money it's your statement angeke benza imali usavreza iqinisile ungathi $3 uma $2 baya make more money than $5 uyawazi ungathi $5 imulu mutapa nje lami loba ngayekela angizwa buhlungu yabo but $2 kokhana kuyayenza imali
the gate charges for Zifamun 2026 for 2020 Zifamun Mtapa Challenge Cup round of 32 matches start at $5. Key details: ticket pricing officially, entry tickets listed on Zifa ticketing portal are priced from $5 depending on the specific venue and fixture. So that's the
yabo
hayi iproblem ukuthi eZimbabwe nje mana
usamereza wathi wadala
mana ngutshela iproblem eZimbabwe iproblem yethu ukuthi abantu bakhona they want to capitalize unnecessary lapho ngamelanga becapitalize
but if $5 abantu beyijwayele
bayijwayele kuma premier not edotini
vele
nje icup
ikaphelele mali Premier League
ikaphelele mali
ushilo wathi it's a cup
it's a government sponsored
it's a government sponsored
but engutho mini point yami angisho ukuthi ngiyayisupport $5
but asikho
but support ama lower
divisions athola malini from ilokho zenini wala lephela
I think ubutho uyakwanisa ukuthi ebesichekela but to me as long as ama team lawa ezathola something yathi kunzima njani like abo Black Rock urana bengela cash but kaje sibe host Highland yajekani nxa bezathola ipercentage yabo ukuthi ba home mdala babe safe bakwazi ukuncengisa isizini
baba
you understand ehlisi lokhu zeni mic yakho savere bakwazi
uyazi problem savereza ngoAsha Ash ngikutshela ukuthi manje abantu ukuthi Highlanders versus Cape United imoto bezikhona zihamba siyalo ngoba they know ukuthi it's a premier manje ungathi Highlanders versus Black Rock twa Black Rock Black Rock baba akula muntu usewanke akula muntu but ungathi$2 nje kuya booster ina lani Black Rock yakhona nje because it's a munu mutapa nje ezinye izinto madoda eZimbabwe don't want to capture yazi abantu beZimbabwe lingazama ukucapitalize entweni engayisiyo manje hayi $2 lo hawo Nkosi yami
9 hours journey
isala nje $5 eBlack Rock
Ajabukela ibhora.
i-Black Rock
Munhu Mutapa Cup.
ifike njani khona phana ncenga ko ibhora phela is 11 v11
is 11 but icup yakhona
ungayi-underestimate phela ungayi-underestimate
ilokuzini ibreak
I don't underestimate
what matters is silverware
mana ngubuze Masutu ibreak rock ingaqualifya ungena ku league next season ayisiyona le ku D1 ingaqualify awuhamba usayibukela nge$5
utsho kahle uthi ingaqualifya iyabe sikupremier lapha sisakhuluma ngento uzwana mina ukuthi iBlack Rock ngizwe manje ukuthi sokudlala le-Island angikwazi baba angikwazi lokho kuyithi manje so don't expect me to pay $5 Zimbabwe let us not capitalize entweni ezingaziwa
but lapha mina ngisoli kodwa
hayi sola ngoba khipha isenti $5 usayabukela lokhu zinsola she kanti waye ungasoli she
Sefuna ukuhosport uthi la so mina to me honest that as long as ama team la athola
as long as benefit bona
even anti behadliwa igovernment
let's just hope ba benefit
ba get takings
ma get takings let's just hope
ba benefit ama get takings benefit imali yemuntu Mutapa anti umuntu Mutapa velile imali
enikwa ingasu run 32 imali ethola
bale mali bazayithola at least baza boosteka nje sesikwazi ukuthi iBlack Rock ayisa struggle
singakwanisa ukuholisa abafani kwanisa uku-attenda ama-fixtures
ayisoziciniyeza njengemosi yathunya iqinisa ithi
yabo mina because ngikhayela wonke ama-team la ama-lower division teams akhona kulokhuzeni and it's not only about immense kulama-ladies also women's Munhu Mutapa also
exactly
round of 32 also la
abadlali kuqhakathekile kodwa nje kunganti imali ifanane nje
izimali zifanana
kanye i-World Cup ithe iqasa kuma round stage group stages imali yakho ibitsheni ithe siya kuma semi finals bese ngakhuluma amatikiti ahlanyayo because level izinga selitshintshile
level likhwela
umncane unubuzidla inyama eyodwa usuthi ushaya isiphise 1 lesinki usuthi kade isiphise 1 ayikusuthisa
tasuzedla igango
baba kumuntu Mutapa kungenwa mahara $3 cheki wena i$5 maybe uyithola nzima cheki uyazi ukuthi into ethiwa i$5 kuyini i$100 mala ngu-explainile baba it's $100 so uma ungathi abantu bengene nge$3 cheki $3 amfuna ukutshela manje kuyabenefita lokho ngama-team
alright asithiye ilokhuzeni
asikuthiyani la
asithiye ama-prize any surprises according to ama-fixtures wabona any surprises esingathola according to ama-fixture la
iwangi vele is always a bookie side against lokuzenini iDynamos engiyesabelayo khona abantu kule something engayenzakala
even le Scotland under 19 singayi-surprise i-Caps because ngiyakwazi i-motivation uzayizwa khona apha sesilanda
wesi babafaka igibho ngalo babafaka ibhobho babasusa lapho bajayele khona
ikhwekwe derby ke
draw kuwin lapha na draw kuwin
so uyabona ngenye into engibuzile ngama-stadiums what's the point of ukuthi ikhwekwe ibe home eChawande
draw kuwin
ngithi what's the point of ukuthi ikhwekwe ibe home eChawande
that's the better stadium kufanele leyalendas le-chicken i-chicken yaba kuhome ka-APF i-people shift home ku-APF
lapha naso sikwazi lezela imali butho the issue of
lapha sicangile ukuthi benzela imali
ale ground yeproper ikhwekwe ithole ikizwe nje iChawande
but
ingasozingene kupremier izayizwela khona apha
nangomunye
so kulaba fixtures bejobe chithi kulaba fixtures also aba women singa discriminate isikhayele kule Gwelo Rangers Royal Academy ziyabe se-Ascot draw Queens iQueen Rose K eWhite City le FC Platinum Royals Red Buffaloes eSakuva le Correctional Queens iRentals le Conduit SA Morris Depot iCranbourne Royals Texon Chapungu Queens le yabe seCardi's Motor Action Sports ekhumbula Motor Action sokwafa amanye
ama-team avusa ama-players
then kule Rufaro Starlets eMcheke ile Rentals Queens then kule Maningi eMcheke Stadium Texon Ingezi Platinum Stars. Those are some of the fixtures abafazi abe khona elokhuzeni mana ngihle waqedela iScotland Queens le Capes eGwanzura iBlack Rhinos la eseGwanzura le Waverley iKwekwe Queens eBaghdad ile Shedza Queens Highlanders Royals eWhite City Texon iBlack Mambas Queens iGetty Queens eShowground Texon iLas Palmas yes man eMutare City takes on Harare City Queens eSakuva, iRentals Queens takes on Impopoma SA Imposa eChawanda, iB Arena, then Impoma SA, then kule Imposa eWhite City takes on iFaith Drive Academy ngabafazi lawo. So kuyafika this week it's all about Mono Mutapo shiny sifakela ithi ku
So
lokho.
labafazi lawo ni $5.
Ubutho mze ama price atsho njalo kumele kufanane.
Nangicheckela abafazi.
Kumele kufanane. Okay, was moving on, gents. Moving on, there was an issue. Esike sakhuluma ngayo egroupini eband yani engezi. The ban has been lifted. Angazi ukuthi what really took place. But iban yengezi. It's unfortunate window livalile bengaka sign, but the good thing is iban has been lifted. FIFA ban openje bathole imali zabo lokho zena.
Yeah, khonapha we don't have further details on that issue, but it will be a good thing now ukuthi babhadele.
I don't think ukuthi because
Bebenga
last time babefake appeal.
Unless now it bawinile appeal.
Last time I remember babefake appeal court of arbitration iCAS babefake appeal. Then this week imbone sebe poster elokhuzeni ku channel yabo ukuthi the ban has been lifted.
But ibhani mina into engaziyo ukuthi ibhani ngaze liqede those 3 windows ukuthi khona libhadalanga imali. Ibangezelela futhi beimpose more sanctions.
Laphana kokuhanjwa
Kwakuthiwe further sanctions to the extent of maybe begcine bekhitshwa la ku-league. I think it's either bawini appeal or babhadele.
Babhadalile.
So ncabe ibhadala lobenje bamnandi abe bekolota imali ezinhle blind. Abe bekolota imali ezinhle babe
600.
But for Ngezi I think it's really a good thing.
Yeah. Green light.
I-team lana ngendlela ebephusha ngayo ile ban ingathengi.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi vele ngezi athi right kophana ingathengi. Maybe ithengi zathenga ivirus. Ngoba dijayi ngezi. Ngezi athi right mafethu.
Ethengi shafu.
Yathenga ivirus
But
ngoba
ngendlela ba-operate ngayo mina mbuzi.
ngendlela operator athenga ngezi athi shaya.
Abantu besports yo.
Abantu ingezi ngayo sports nje ingezi athi chaya madoda and lokhu ichaya singazi ngathenga ngoba ungathenga madoda sometimes abusuthi usuthengile kade uthenga inkala katha yento.
Mina I doubt nje ngendlela ba-operate ngayo. Bamprovele something ukuthi
But noma iwindows elivalile bakwanisa phela ukuthola ama free agents ani.
they are now able to sign.
Manager ngcono be-try yakho.
Akakwali nje yina wena.
Hayi ayakwana.
Ngezi.
Ayakwana.
Wena ukuthi lapha bona ingezi ngebhora nje ushithi ingezi ngebhora.
But is it fair yini what happened to kuye kodwa?
Ufunga manje olahlwa iHighland.
Is it fair yini okwenziwe eHighland for kumanager?
Obani?
Kokya okwenziwe kumanager. Okwenziwe eHighland.
Awukho fair.
Because I think mina side time ifazi khanyela ama cases anjalo.
Iyakhangela vele.
Because you cannot offload umuntu onjana last minute.
Mdala we spoke about this. Yakhumbula sikhuluma even ngabo matches ngani kubo matches.
Hayi ngangaso last minute kodwa la.
Ngoso last minute.
Hayi
Loba ungaso last minute kuma matches but khokhana ukuthi you must be professional as footballers nje. Ayikho ukuthi umuntu elokhe esatrainer uphambi kuthula ngayo ungamtsheli lutho then ngoba umuntu nje uyabele hope.
Jay, you remember this other time sikhuluma efuna ukuhamba eBotswana isizini eqalisa. iHighlanders yathini? Yayala la yani. Wathi bebonani ipotential. Namhla ipotential yakhe asayibona. Selimdladla nje.
So labo Benji Junior nje.
uBenji Junior asikambone edlala phela.
Isayiniwe.
But ikakho phela umatch day squad.
Uzakwana phela. Uzakwana nje umanager bengasekho. Uyakwana thiza.
But ukuthi ngusavele
umuntu mutapa ungahambe wangi uzabe usitshela uyadlala kumuntu mutapa versus Black Rock.
Lokho akwedile batsemu. But iHighland yakwenzela okunye iHighland. ayenda ngedrama
asazi maybe lo edibla
Hayi,
badzimu uzabuya
drama.
maybe edibla badzimu
Mina-
uyabuyela lama
mina-
benefits
mina-
njengoba khathesi sibonile iDynamos uNathan Mtasu uhambile waka kuDynamos sabona sebe lama tracks uthamacha sabona sebeqayisa ukuflya we are not yet sure ukuthi umuntu osponsayo lapha nambani so asazi ukuthi lo weRoni Sports
Hayi.
maybe
uyabona saverela thina sabe sile question ukuthi i-Islander really ngiyebhora manje icela abantu bebhora umbele kucela abantu bakozenze because
i-Islanders iyenza okusemandleni nayo financial
okusemandleni nayo
we all know ukuthi i-Islanders is incapacitated and when it comes to izinto zemali so uyathi ngama-free agent wona la vele maybe
ubaba uDili Batsimu
usayiniwe i-free agent
ababhatalanga senti
ababhatala ngasenti maybe bona babhadelwe
so ipoint yakho iyasupporteka ngoba balamani
abalamani
mana ngikutshela i-Islanders manje ithengisile umboniso
kulokhuzeni
umboniso uthengisiwe kuBanketi
obekulona
ebekulona kulokhuzeni kanje
Pirates
lwana umfana weDili Batsimu asifuni ukulandelela maybe yathatha ubaba wakhe kumbe wathi ulezimali ozinika abanye abantu sitsotsi ukuthi hayi lami faka uyabona mawule mali ulomntana nakho uyakhona ukuthi ngicela ifaka umfana nami
so usole new signing
ini lona vele umfana so webhora nje
usole
Ukuhambona idlala.
ukosubona
wena
weDili Batsimu
ukuhambona idlala yini
ubonile ngendlela ade ipicture yakhe lo ngani ungani umuntu odrive isnooker nje amadoda e-Islander
wena vele akula wena athanda ukusola
hayi angithandi ukusola
usola yokini
umfana wala nje
wena usithi ubhenje unjani
ubani
uyakhumbula
Unjani
ungena
uBenjani?
nadolo kuyalendazi basola njani ama-players ama-supporters alendazi
labo bahlala besola
wena
wayenza lamanga.
ubhenje awusithini ngayo
ukapini
Unjani
simsim
uBenji?
awusithi ubhenje ungikhosho njani
uBenji mina anzange ngi-improve zwana mina personal
Ubani
zwana
ucitsha
savereza
khathesi.
mina don't want to lie even ima viewers mina uBenji mina lapha sikhuluma into professional mina uBenji ngendlela abuya ngayo nje wabuya unprofessional lamanje vele uBenji mina angeke ngithi uBenji wabuya swi mina lingafuna ukumvumisa lingafuna ungigqokise enye into uBenji kazange abuye swi uBenji wabuya ngendlala wena kunje thina ama results siyathatha uBenji ngazedla iScotland siyathatha wena umntanakho kumbe wena usisi wakho nje engaze azale lesikomba ngalo umntwana wakho uzambamba wena uthi hayi baby
Mzukulu.
umntwana so lama results siyathatha but ukuthi ubuye ngesikomba uBenji vele kabuyanga kahle nje
usumzwile
uBenji kabuyanga kahle nje finish and clear
alright speaking about coaches uJoel asisikhulume kaningi uJoel
Baze bagcina bacoach.
iplatinum iqine yathi things
but khathesi ngendlela okwenzakale ngayo subona ukuthi yikho babe sethi bafuna uCAF asingeke sikhale kakhulu
Anje ziyasavereza.
senzo kwakhe okukaCAF yanzisisa manje angitsho ukuthi it's not a bad thing but
namhlanje
producer manje ama-result ade expectwe kuyini i-platinum ngoba usenza uCAF
you realize ukuthi khona regardless of what lokuzeni akusho you went 9 games without a win and the same thing happened to Chirac we went 9 games without a win so konke kuya nge-executive team ukuthi khona they want to back you up or not
but not necessarily uCAF A or
not
CAF B
necessarily CAF B akusho so now and that was the first time in the history of platinum to have that spell so they had to sit down and to rectify the error before it get worse inxa ungabona icancer emzimbeni wakho amadokotela bahle bathi qoma unyawo nxa njani ingakaqhelisi yaphambili so that's what they did not ukuthi khona is a bad coach but they just to avoid the cancer from coming
ngiyabonga ukuthi usucorrecte wafaka uChiragwi nga
so khona kuyana
it's not about CAF A or CAF B
on the other hand even izolo uthe ibona ibhora liqalisele ebhosolele kuzenini le Caps the Caps United fans bebebhalele ukuthi khona we are in solidarity with our coach this spell is going to
bese mfubu yakhona bepence
angiwabonanga mina ngikhuluma into engayibonanga mina angiwabonanga bewaphiwa ama-$50 and even uFarayitshele wathi khona we are behind the coach we are going to support him uzadlula so kuya ngokuthi executive ikubona njani ukuyamukela njani
sizwini Are you happy? Are you satisfied?
Hayi mina ngihappy but nasu ukhuluma ngokwe-Caps ani. Indlela izinto ezenzakala ngayo ku-Caps. Mina kelokho kuyatshengisa nje ukuthi uWallace ngendlela uWallace aseperforma ngayo uBlair Chiefs. Le ndlela abafuna ukumportray ngayo ku-Caps. It shows ukuthi kule enye into eyayikhona ku-Caps. Wallace wasn't the bad fruit at all. Yabo? Waphomba ukulahlela iganga nje but ngeperformance yakhe ekhona khathesi Villa weChicken bengafakaza.
Kefana even uJoe. uJoe we watched iPlatinum isidla iBlair Chiefs eluvivi. Sazibuza ukuthi i-team ledliwa kanjani. Because really Platinum has got everything.
Ama-sabotage.
Yabichova. Okunye even ungazo-sabotage sibili James. Umnyama.
Mina mbona uJoe laphana eqinisweni uJoe ube lo mnyama nje. uJoe is a good coach and then iPlatinum has got
high expectations.
Hayi njalo asingeke sibasoye lawo ngokumxotsha ilokozeni. Cause lawe even kuyilokozeni yakho uthengile inkomo ensikazi uyibona ingasazali. Uyayithengisa baba. Uyabesela ubabize hey mani thathanda le yabo. Just because inkomo ensikazi expect ukuthi izali. Akula umuntu othenga into for nothing baba. So madoda ukuthi thina masingabantu anje sicabanga eside lethu.
Exactly, that's true.
Cabangela omunye umuntu othengile. Singacabangi njengesela, cabanga umuntu othengayo ukuthi hayi into le ngithengele ukuthi izala
ibe productive.
So lapho usala nengezi without ba hayi
so nothi yayilenda yathi ibona imota yeseli idlula the hey thathazomanitha
uyabiza nje ugijime sithi hayi mani phendukani thanda.
I've got another question. Sase kuJoel Luphahla kwalapho. Usenong iPlatinum yasimbona.
Yambona ku Island.
Because they've replaced uLuphahla ngoSenong.
Yeah, there is a mistake yenzakalayo konapana kwa Islanders. However, like Umasutu had said, a hungry man is a desperate man. So when you are hungry and desperate, I can order you to do things in order for you to feed your children.
Platinum.
So so iPlatinum usenongo vele obvious bambona kwa Island. Lami usenongo ukuthi bekwazi in the picture ukuthi ngiqasibe kwaswa coach ubani kubusazilendo wacoacha ngapi ngapi. It was in Islanders.
Ngoka Denzel.
Ngaba kwazi from Islanders.
Maybe usenongo ka Rasta. Cause anti yabona ukuthi uRasta ulama ties la
the Platinum
and nathi ukukhangela vele ama problems ka Rasta ku Islander aqalisa sefuna ukubiza ubani
usenongo
maybe kwathiwa wena njani susikhambela phambili or something.
Mina ngibona ngani iPlatinum ibone njengomlimisi ebona igwili igwili tshithe mhlala ungali igwili ngalilahla so yabo ukuthi kumbe lilahliwe liye ngalizuza amanzi yabo hawuza liboya lilihle. Mina ngibona ngani Islander izabe ilunguza so ilibone selingaka so lokilunguza
ukuthi so lapha izindlela uthi
we are not saying ukuthi usenongo is going to
ngendlela akhuluma ngayo
mina because
ngendlela akhuluma ngayo uthi usenongo efike evusile kuzeni but I don't think Platinum vele iyadinga uvuswa.
No, coaching is all about, it's not always about lucky. It's not always about tactics only.
Alama philosophy.
Lenhlanhla yefuna 1+1 plus inhlanhla yakho na le.
But Eborena nje you make your own luck.
Ntona dlala ku defender attack lihlala lo ku defender.
Sikhuluma iPlatinum baba la. Sikhuluma iPlatinum.
Athi akwazi ukuthi you make your own luck Eborena. So uJoe uJoe ayinhlanhla yana. Maybe sizabona asifayeni phela majensi kuLokhuzeni sonke nini anti kukhulunyiwe. So ngithi uLokhuzeni usenongo maybe uzabuya lenhlanhla abayifuna but I don't want technical team
wakho ehluleke eBotswana lo
uLetsolonyana
awutho assistant
ngikopia ngithi assistant wakhe ehlulekile eBotswana
wehluleke eBotswana wawazwabalika
madoda ungayihlika kwenye indawo eyiphuma kwenye indawo
kuyatholakala
empilweni
ehluleka ucoach okulenyana
Mina mbona ngani usenong is a good coach. Thina nje ukuthi kulama coach vela eZimbabwe currently so kulama coach ayi2.
Ungabalekeli mic yakho.
eZimbabwe kulama coach ayi2 la ama coach ale bhadi la. Lawa ayi2.
Ngobani wona?
Kunganile uzendana ilight licima licitshe ilight. This week athi yeah next week.
Umbani
ayi2 akobulawayo.
Umbani?
Ama coach akhona.
Sitshela phela ungasifaki ku suspense.
Omunye ngokabutho.
Omunye ngakho. Hayi bora linjalo sometimes uyawina omunye
Hayi
lose.
azobhora abale party. Uyabona labana they need abasuke maybe kumele bezama ukulo kuze kwenye indawo. Becoachwa kwenye indawo.
All right, gents. If you're watching this episode or this channel for the first time, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and also engage us in the comment section. I'm happy these days in a comment section, but please, subscribe. Sihlala sikhala. Abantu ama-analytics asitshela ukuthi abantu abaningi ababukela bengasubscribe. I don't know why. Please learn to subscribe. Kule nto kona mana ebhalwe subscribe imahara akubhadaliswa. Lapho kupressa kuphela and become part of the family. Siyakwamukela ube part of the family. Usubscribe please, siyacela subscribe and we grow the family.
Ungabi lokhu ubuya ubukela uphuma ungasubscribe banga njengokatsande olokhu echiya ama team engathi. Kanti
Uyaqhanqatha.
Bese ngibuya kuwe. Kanenzani ukatsande kathi?
Abamekelela nje. Kanti akuna ethics vele ngale.
Because ukatsande into yakhe leseyenze.
Lokho akuseyi
friend legacy ibingathi ifuna ukumbamba ngecontract. I-breach of contract.
Obvious ubreachini.
I-breach of contract lana inje so nxa uresign angingazi nxa lasebhoreni kuyahambela.
Ngaphange notice.
1 month notice.
Exactly what that's what
manje kwakhe kwaba ikhona bokhona.
Exactly kunjalo even la nxa usebenza I speak of ama kuma employee kuma labor acts nxa nginga resign with immediate effect I have to pay for the 3 months. Mina isalary ngihola leyana ngiyibhadala to that company for 3 months because I'm paying notice. So ngingazi ukuthi uzakwenza njani kuyavunyelwa nganxa ukuthi ngizakwanisa uku-afford.
Ukatsande I think uzifunela lapho kunamadlelo kungaba ngani
yena ubona nganto khona ikucoacha ibhora kuyaba glimpse like ibhora ukudlala kwakhe ibhora kwenzayo lapha kuphelele khona ebhoreni ukafuna uqasela khona ukucoacha but ungazi ukuthi khona indlu yakhe usuka phansi.
Remember sikhuluma ngokatsande lesinge s3
nomadic katsande.
and akahlala abo 3 months.
Hayi vele ukuthi ukatsande ubutho ukhulume ngokudlala kwakhe ibhora. Ukatsande vele don't expect him ukuthi even mase coach emnandi. Ukatsande vele ukudlala kwakhe ibhora vele ukuthi ubedlala eSouth Africa bamazi manje ngumathaya
Salt and vinegar.
Ayi salt and vinegar uyakuchaya ukatsande. So vele ukatsande vele uvele rough. La manje lokho into ayenzayo lo hayi rough.
Sese FC Odeni and the FC Odeni khona kumuntu mtapa.
Yele Scotland
and the FC Odeni ngani ile something.
Yena vele ufuna idlelo. But ilungisa ibizo uqala. Walungisa ibizo lebhora yes. Elokucoacha liyalungiswa lalo. Asuze lifanani elebhora lecoach.
Elokukanti walungisa
season 1 lami exactly.
Yikho vele sasukuthi khona kuyafana nami nginje anti. Ngilomfazi. Sengiyala umfazi, ngithatha umunye umfazi, ngiyala umfazi, ngithatha umunye umfazi. So lithi khona bonke abafazi abangu3 bangu4 labengiyala yibo wrong. Mina I'm right. Hayi, okunye futhi sikubone khona.
Ukatsande sengenze lokunye. Bawule tournament eBF national schools lana amanda 17 savereza wena ngo obuseduze la but I was only disappointed ngemzethi nje imzilikazi semi-finals yadliwa yiPamshana and aba-host be home.
Lo kera madoda iPamshana idona nalayi. iPamshana badlala. iPamshana got one of the best goalkeepers kuma under 17.
Mfana khona nje ku squad
Siyandazi.
So save my penalty.
Kazange wahlohlwa vinde 1 goal ilokho zi
Tournament yonke.
So anti ungayisola yini khona apha eMzilikazi.
Yakhombisa isakhuluma ngendlela ama juniors squad ezibhiwa ngayo. Umfana nguyigoro emalokuzini.
Ugoro national.
Umfana is proved ukuthi
uyadeserve
uphiwa on merit.
Ungazibona ku school team goalkeeper bengu captain yabu uyisebenzele sivile position because ukuthi captain ezikolo phela uyathola maybe ku striker
kuma final I think waseva rembe one
Lalo ngalo futhi wase bacela bewinile.
ipamshana yawina.
But I think khonoko kutsho ukuthi eMzilikazi the only mistake maybe ngathi bayenza ukuthi they did not use i-home advantage in a sense ukuthi khona the privilege to go and train kuma facilities abazawasebenzisa bona basebenzisa ama facilities azabesikolo so sebesiya ngale base befana nawo umuntu away that's how and then sokusiba le better team ezalile.
That was my disappointment ku boys side.
So that's the way that is ngibona kwami ukwenza ngabo kwabachayisa.
Then Impopoma high rectified that mistake emankazaneni. Yathi sebenzisa home advantage.
Labana bale advantage e1 Impopoma is more like of academy these days so abantu labana vele babe noma ibhora ngkhona lawo libukele teamwork yangikhona awubona ukuthi abantu laba abantu abanjani abajayeleneyo ama team assemble ngoba sokuthiwa ses assembly team yebhora omnye vele le club yabe ngiyela esidlala ibhora esikolo kuphela ukuthi balekela ama lesson yabo hayi Impopoma hayi
So well deserved.
yeah well deserved this.
But from the pool when idelana ngaso isikhathi ukuthi ngicine siyafi from the pool owayibonayo ezikolo kuba umanda 17 sile ngiyakuza ukukhuluma ngo goalkeeper omanda 17 sile boys yini lamankazana a sharp for esingabhika from
as long ube ngasebenzisanga ukuthi umntakazi bani ngoba lo umntakazi bani olemali kumbe ngoba lo umntakazi bani ole influence enjani bengakhetha ngetalent sibili squad Zimbabwe is destined for greatness.
Did you see any developmental coaches or
yeah
khona phana
babe khona
which is good?
Yeah babe khona which is good for but ama teams and ama senior teams engaze sithi athatha abantwana laba abanye they are only taking those kids ukuthi befile kuphela ama slot lana ama under 20 ababadlalisa abantu bangikhona so kuyabulala futhi abantwana ispirit kokya because khalesi wena umuntu uzathe under 17 ungamdlalisi isizini yonke sozamele lindezebe lengakezi 23 years iyapse mature wazwadlulisa phela khona ufuna ukumdlalisa
Yiko phela khona ku same thing ayikhuluma ukuthi umonga khona ebonakala kade ese 24 kumbe 25 years but isikhathi sonke lesubenga
has been around
playing the same football but bengafuni ukumrecognize because babesithi ngufana omncane yiproblem la eZimbabwe.
No, let me correct you baba.
Yes sir.
Ibhora lamanje I listen to onye kuyilokho ngaka Adam. Ibhora lamanje is not about ukuthi bebengakufuni. Is only ukuthi wena ulobani obani omaziyo osethimini yakhe.
Alright.
Umkhokheli
sozowabuya because sokulomkhokheli
bekulomkhokheli therefore yiko ibhora leZimbabwe lesifa ubuza ukuthi bangaki omonga abaphandle aba better than monga abaphandle out there abangala link kumbe abangala budlelwana nabantu abakhulu ku Highlanders kumbe abantu abakhulu kubo Chickenini kumbe kuma Premier Star kuma Premier
yiko sikhuluma nge under 17 tournament le ukuthi bebekhona yini abazochecka like italent proper this is what we're talking about.
So I think I point kama suit lana ya affect even selection even for to the national team. Look at it kade lokuzeni umuridi ukhambile utengadlali because those are the things like that.
But what I'm happy about Usavereza is mentioned it ukuthi look at umfana lo goalkeeper wePamshana is the goalkeeper we under 17 national team.
Iclub yakudlalani
hayi iPamshana sile
academy so kuloko academy ePamshana because ngeke ngabona even abantu becomment uGabriel Nyoni I think ube khona ngiyabona ekhuluma nationally sithi I'm happy. I think bengakwazi umuntu uGabriel wafunde ePamshana. Kulo muntu ocommentile wasithi kathi iPamshana yena le vele iyayizo because iPamshana khanya iyadominate uGabriel sithi hayi mina ngafunda khona ePamshana ikho ngaphuma le 14 A's A level kuyafundwa abantu besithi
isikolo kuyafunda
abantu besithi abantu bePamshana vele abafundi babelanda ibhora uGabriel wathi hayi uGabriel wathi hayi lingakhuluma into engayiso mina ngafunde ePamshana uthi mina ngafunde ePamshana ngikho ngaphuma le 14 A's kuyafundwa plus they take everything serious
hayi yonke into ndoda even abantwana besikolo babehamba ngeIRESA ndoda abanye benze ukucela ama donation ndoda ukuthi beze bele bus but labana ndoda yabona abantu laba invest ebantwaneni
so iPamshana is serious on all fronts
everything
so mina
and the other thing engayithabelayo kwahle kwa select ngabona sibili akuzange kwamanye ama teams for national team kwahle babantu babo kwayikhona balaba ama selectors ngabona umntwana weDinyane kunomntwana weDinyane hayi oyinkazana
okay
waselectwa for national team utshengisa ukuthi abantu yabona ama tournament anje ya exposure abantu
talent
unale talent uyaselectwa what
on merit
yikho ukuthi uza selectwa
adlala
engaselectwa ukuthi ithiwa mana sithathe kuphela umuntu wecholojo because iDinyane anti secholojo ehambe futhi enjani
edlala
and umuntu lwana uzaba motivation kubo bonke abantu banga emathebeleni north ngale emakhaya ukuthi umuntu ingamekela showcase italent lakhe uyakwazi ukufika khatshana
thank you for that Saverez yikho demfuna masuthu sidlile khona ukuthi as long as ama national selectors lama scouts siba khona in such tournaments italent will be exposed James yabo so I'm happy for that
yikho phela ukukhalela lema teamini ukuthi khona ukuthi ngisabe abaselect in terms of merit ukuthi umuntu lo udlala kanjani nje because now singakhuluma into esikhangeleyo madoda umonga isikhulume ngomonga umonga ube ngasomkhokheli kube kakho vele ngoba kube kakaza yo kwaza
iclip yakhe eku division 1 reach abantu
ube vele bubulala umfalwa but just because bebemvalela just because akula muntu omaziyo look at manje uyabona uMelikhaya ufika washayina nje umbone ukuthi sibuke sabukela iChiefs lebula le chicken in umbone ukuthi uyabulala uMelikhaya ubebuye ngobani ngotry utry kasekho uMelikhaya uYubethi umlotshwa indaba yabo yasiyaphela ngabe kungani kumbe sokukhathiwe icontract kodwa yabo so ibhola lingadlalwa njalo bafethu asindawo manje umlotshwa uzumbona nje maybe uyabuhlangana naye kohayipha kumbe gada kumbe ko6
oyemfeni
hayi or emfeni or ekhuluma esithi ungwenya wathi hayi hayi kahle kahle uthi umbone umlotshwa
uzadlala ule injury phela umlotshwa khathesi
uYubethi wayanga uYubethi
uMegawathi
ubebuye lo bantu utry kasekho Savereza is football now asikhulumeni iqiniso madoda
mana politics zabo zeyalinda
hayi asikhulumeni hayi kona politics zeyalinda even ku squad lakho kunjalo yikho ubona othiwa ngobani ohade uthiwa ngobani umfana wakho lo
akungekile
bagijima bangale bancenga ama caps ukuthi bedlale
asikayileli D1 Southern region Pacific Southern region this week it was interesting bekufiwa as I was shocked nge defeat yewangidliwa yiAqua Stars
hayi Aqua Stars madoda you should also realize ngayo one thing ukuthi Aqua Stars yakhipha wonke umuntu abantu labana vele bona babe build a team man besithi ba buildeleni iDivision 2 base bethola ifranchise last minute yabo
T1
T1 so labana bona babe le Division 2 quality khathesi bahlala phansi sibile wathi njani sesilungisa bafuna survive relegation basurvive relegation then se assembly njani banye squad lesa assembly khathesi I doubt ukuthi uzadinga lama renovation next season
because I was shocked bro ngeresult le
ayichakwa sana this day
so Southern region top 3 is now interesting. We've got Iwangi 45 points. Italian Vision winning a Uni 4. win 4 has closed the gap. It's now 1-45 Italian Vision 42 ama-games alingana 20 Inkai layo is closing the gap.
Yeah.
39.
Sokusiba
Sokusela
mnandi.
ama-games amangaki?
So ama-game asesekhona
asesekhona.
amaningi ama-game. Kusele abo 14
Yeah,
ama-game maningi
sesivulile.
maningi
sokufiyo.
kakhulu. But i-competition now isichaze i-Southern region.
Yeah.
Isimnandi. Then i-Northern region ibile top 8. So nothing changed there. Come to Central region. Central region baba kumnandi. Mbonge ijezi libuyile livele e-blanket mine. Ubuthi uzaja ubuthi.
Umuntu wafika wakhetha ndoda wanika yena yedwa wanishiya singu-2.
Ngizathi belungisise amajezi please abafuna ukusinika amajezi sibanengi. Otsho mlawa laba abancane ngiyacela ngomoya ophansi. Asizamenini so ngathi abona ukuthi base ngikhayela ke masuthi
Hayi
sengithi.
lilanga sabe yasinqunwa nokugoalkeeper zakho ngizokutshela.
But ngithanda ukuboka ku blanket mine i-replica yanya lizwa le quality these days ama teams angichaza le quality ayiyo sibili ama-local leaders benza chaba abantu beGwanda Pirates i-GP but ungasenani
Kanti
we
khona
appreciate
ku-GP vele ukuhamba njani?
but iwinile i-GP iwinile over the weekend so
But ama-player phela sibonile ama-player move.
ama-player movile laphana I think maybe i-cash abantu i-GP ayizange i-invest ikhange befuna ungena ngendlela abaqalise ngayo because I remember siyawukit launch lo menza sabona abantu laba serious but maybe league ithe siqalisile imfanelo because ungacheck blanket mine powered by mine bra financial muscle ungakhayela ama-teams that are doing well Chapungu Army understand but i-blanket mine ubise look Petros bahle babonisa intent ukuthenga kwabo just during the window bathenga umbonisi from Gwanda Pirates top goal scorer bra and uhle wafika wahlohla understand so
Bamthenge from Highland.
from iGwanda from i-Highland yemlone kuGwanda Pirates bamthenga bona ku-Highland kuGwanda Pirates yabona ukuthi kutshoni ngabo nge-seriousness yabo
yeah.
bavele bafuna ukungena ungakhayena ivinilo ke e-Central region xa uyi-check sebevula igap ye-4 points beku-top of the table class batshaye Chapungu 3 not kutshoni ngabo kuyakutshengisela i-team le
Kune-seriousness
ba-serious bavele ba-serious bafuna ukungena then also so ikhwekhwe la yadla i-MSU 2-0 so things are happening things are shifting ku-Central region so i-blanket mine is now leading on 4 points ilandelwa iChapungu ile 44 iChapungu ile 40 ikhwekhwe is also on 39 then iGwanda Pirates layo number 5 iyancinga le West Nikison is to 36-38 but i-blanket mine is showing serious intent bavele bafuna ukungena as I said i-Northern region bebele cup yabo lana badlalanga i-league i-Eastern region I think baphenduka this week so let's go to feeling lucky with Lucky Base Cheskayele iCastlelaga Premier Soccer League izinto ziyenzakele we saw a lot of
Vandalism.
sendobuthongo
Parambo. Bathi bafana bathi parambulating. Parambulate.
let's look at ilokhu ze iCastlelaga Premier Soccer League gents as it happened I think ama-games aqalise nge-Friday i-Renters
Manika.
Renters winning 2-0
i-Renters idla iManica
2-0.
2-0 Friday then Saturday we saw iZPC Kariba draw le Dynamo 0 eKariba ngana kuphunywa
Hayi kunzima.
eKariba ngani kunzima sembona ama-team amaningi stumbling that side
i-temperature yakhona is too much
ukuthi i-temperature malushona ama-team ephuma eKariba I think if I remember very well this season
Ngabongeza.
I think kule one team
Ingeza.
eyawinayo eKariba ama-team amaningi aphuma le 1 point nxa bedlala i-draw so iKariba drew le Dynamo 0-0 FC Platinum without Tuluphahla bekulo caretaker coach edraw le Simba Bora 1-1 i-Triangle lost to Hunters 0-1 Then Scotland draw the Lokuzeni, the Moz 0-0. Gents, let's look at the game Scotland, the Moz, which was streamed live go ZBC. Muntasa also incident liyana a penalty. Kwenzakalani nge-referee yethu guys? Because I think uqedisa uqedisa ithwamba.
Kwedisa imbe man.
Utsho umntwana selokhuzini.
Ama-controversies akhe.
Ama-controversies akhe said too much. That was a clear penalty, gents. Clear. You keep
In front of phambi kwakhe.
Straight red card le penalty.
you understand?
But wamane wakhetha ukuzithulela nje. Yiko sina sithi
What will we play on?
yiko thina sithi sometimes asisonde Scotland. Maybe imali kumbe yini. Cause even you see even Ogege labana but after the match bayacho ukuthi this is not football. And for sure this is not football baba. My bora liyenzwa njalo. Football ubuthe always say uthi football imeli si unite football kube igame lapha esiyachazeka khona. But football mayizaba njalo uthi iyenzakale one side kube labanye abantu ukuthi bona ba dominate umbe balokutsho this is not football.
Tabano ref that day ngaba man of the match.
Yabona
But yabona ama-controversy say Cyril Lokuzeni.
yabona utsho Mlwana is the same referee chicken in against Scotland. That penalty engaphelanga. Dynamo's FC Platinum is the same referee now again is the same referee because lapana
And there's been banned before.
lapana it was obvious ukuthi kona now the person uphambe ka keep and there's no keeper zamqala khona eboreni. So umuntu sethola ibhora ephinde emkhabe. Yes, you can say ukuthi kona is not an obvious a clear and obvious goal scoring opportunity but it was a penalty and a yellow card
Eish.
or a red card nxa kusenza.
Orefa banjalo mina hayi. Please.
Ngiyabafisela into enhle orefu but bona basithanda.
Hayi, but uqedisa is now too much guys. Hayi.
Maya mina konke lokho ngiyakubona. All right and when I cannot determine ukuthi umuntu somele react njani. Umtasi yellow card ayiseyiphiwe lana. Igame isipheli. Because umtasa ungakhangela kuhle sibilani iclip la. Umtasa wayengena eground efuna kanjani? Ukuyaqhawula uline umani lwa. Ulokuzenini. Urefu wathi wamvimba. So okunye wamvimba. So okunye usuzakhala ireaction yomuntu. Ubusuzathi umuntu yena yabe sefuna ukudlulisa into wena umvimba kuyaescalate umsindo.
Yeah, but umntasa la hey reaction yakhe. Ngiyakuzwa sibithi umuntu umtshele but I was so frustrated.
No, it's painful.
Akubuhlungu.
It's painful, bra. Ukuthi khona urefa decide game.
Khona
Draw nxa udraw ngokuhleka kwakho win. Dliwa nxa udliwa ngokuhleka kwakho. Not urefa decide. Uref is there as a mediator.
Wesanta yabona igame lana ngigame yama rivals. Abantu abanabo basuka vele belana.
Nxa uphekiswa
From D1.
nxa uphekiswa usebenzisa uphini bra. Uphini awusuzanga liphuma embizeni lesithwala esiningi. Ubona nxa uqeda phana usulele empini lusale lungela lutho. Uref kangasalelo lutho.
Then next game Agama lost to Ingezi. Besikhulume ngeNgezi. Yabona Ingezi?
Ingezi yachaya ba.
Idle Agama 1-0. Then iyadraw idle Manica 3-0. Sorry, I made a mistake. Team edliwe yiLokuzeni Rentals iTel 1 edliwa 2-0. That was on Saturday. Then on Sunday, Highlanders traveled to Harare for 2 reasons only. Mboni Kebsi, admini Kebsi that is really sibabhatalisa ama-tollgate ayi-4 eleno tourist hayi abhatala. So each goal for each tollgate. But Highlanders lost to Cape United. City derby lost 4-2. Ubone njani igame lela?
Igame yona vele igame ibisharp but engakusho ukuthi at the end of the day abantu be-Highlanders they say hayi besebuhlungwini no singalahlisa amanga basidlile lapha i-Highlanders idliwe 9-9.
So you lost clean.
We lost clean not ukuthi sebuhlungwini thina sake sifelwe ubaba ngubaba ubaba wami onzalayo afe but manje ngivuke ngisebenza ngihambe endlini $20. So iHighlanders ibizamile but
Kuyalila.
kwalile regardless ukuthi ifelwe ukufelwa yibo kusifele asingeke sithi hayi siku morning which means life ayisahambe be idliwe iHighlanders.
After a game uBenji I was so disappointed nge-statement sakhe lesana. I think umenzi uzasifaka abantu bezenzeli lokho iHighlanders has played games bengatrainanga and they've won.
Ikwade ngokuthi egroupini uthi khona that's not an excuse because they beat Chicken Inn 2-0 without training. It's 2-1. 3-1 without training.
Maningi
games like Scotland without training. They've played so many games.
Ukuthi chicken in veg chicken and team encane so vele noma babengatrainanga.
Kule game ngiyitshe ngabo besithi ngiyaqedelela ngayo. Ngitshe ngabo sehle ngenisa. So uBenji besithi i-team i-preparation yabo ibingekho well because they trained only 3 days. I was so disappointed with that statement because they've played games bengatrainanga and they've won.
Inayise kube kanjalo abantu abadliwe nge-insurance lapha because the first half iHighlanders ibingathi ifuna uba le-upper end.
Ibe the upper end vele.
Ibe the upper end. Then i-second half bese kumele yena a-substitute ama-wicket stealing abo ade abona. Then thina as we all know iHighlanders le substitution ngathi into eziyi-2 vele ezinjani ezingahambelaniyo.
As you know what?
iHighlanders lo substitute
ungathi ezilweni as you know
uBenji ucoachani kanti.
Hayi
Ucoachani uBenji.
Faka umuntu endaweni yakhe.
So iHighlanders lost 4-2. Then the final game edlalwe ngeSaturday ngitshe ngabo angiyawazi omember.
Hayi akulazi futhi.
Chicken lost to Bula Chiefs 1-2. And all the Elveve Stadium.
Yeah, chicken sadly sibila panel and those 2 goals for Ilokuzenini Ibloy Chiefs, you cannot take anything away from those. They were so 2 beautiful goals, nice goals that they were clinically taken. The errors leading to the goals, but to consider the execution and those goals were so beautiful. And like to say to be imbasambas, but a goal shouldn't be clean as well. But but ukudliwa ngusavereza bokwasive iviki yonke yikho lapho inkinga khona bese sendelwa lenkukhu ezosiweyo amadoda ningenzi njalo libhora singawa khona abathi nasenzela ukuthi khona bengarelegate njengawo fowethu
sufuna uzogcina uku-investigate into the match fixing a better team won that day. Now angila beef angila kwali chicken
awula chicken
angila chicken na good lines on chicken cuts wonke umuntu wakubona yabo
hayi ngithule
akaze asekuzwela bro itela la Saturday
ngikade ngene ku-man of the match we-Player Chiefs
but ufanele lazi bro
awadlala
but into ekhona lapha iLokuzenini iChicken Inn mina I think it's high time they change approach yabo. We're speaking on football terms. I-play lane
betshintshe njenge-platinum
philosophy hayi bengatshintshe njenge-platinum hayi
abatshintshe makutshintsheka saferis
ngaba le izulu lengene edamu kasupha phela
but esemona sokusele about 8-9 games eLokuzenini. It's not easy ukutwenza that decision now,
but Khanyela uJoe ngokubulawayo
I understand that.
Environment uyayazi ujwayele phela eBoreni anti yakwazi ukuthi iBorela kithi I won't be surprised
sumarketer uJoe Chicken Inn
but kungasenani
amageni
into ekhulunywa ngoLokuzenini ngusavereza lami ngiyamvumela naye because you don't win by defensive football, you win by attacking. When you attack,
but for how long likhala ngento efana nayo, this is what I'm saying.
We are the fans, we don't have power to control anything.
Exactly.
But when you are attacking, and there are 2 things that are involved. One, you are already defending because you have got the ball, and 2, you are prone to lead them to make mistakes and you score. So you are at an advantage. But now defender
once under pressure
is prone to make a mistake. But now defender foot, there are 2 things which are involved. You can be successful if you make a mistake, you can.
So yikho okwenzakele ngicela iskipper sesivala. Remember the competition is still on. We're giving away this beautiful nyama ngathi team le idliwa njani nama replica amahle kangaka ile sponsor esihle kangaka. These beautiful replicas, what you simply have to do, go to luckybase.co.zw, uvule account, create a account, login, then deposit $5 through EcoCash, Omari, and Inbox. Play a ticket or just bet. Then send screenshots to the number on your screen. Then ungazwinela these beautiful chicken in replicas. Amachitas afaka lapana I poster, and you see the competition is still going. Then gents, last week, this week is all about Imunu Mutapa, as we have said. No Katlaka Premier Soccer League. Last week, see Valenine Sabelem Sepumul.
My last week, sesingene ku holiday ka August. Holiday ka August is a lot of traveling which is going to take place. So please, let's drive responsible. Speeding doesn't mean ukuthi khona ukufika. Direction is more important than speed. So let's drive, be safe, and be cautious and be responsible. Remember, no drinking and driving at the same time, because under the influence of alcohol, you can do anything. So be safe. We still want you. We still want you to subscribe. We still want you to be emagaming. Asiphile nini uNkulunkulu ezisithathe ngesikhathi sakhe, singabulawa zingozi, singabi izilima zingozi. So be safe and just love one another.
Let's do it.
Usakhuluma nje ukukhulunywa okuhle so. Ecela uspoil izinto.
Before I forget, namhla ngumhla ka3, mhla ka5 kule Lokhuzeni. Chibuku Super Cup lezana ama preliminary round ezaphansi. Tail 1 takes on Triangle eMandaba, then Agama takes on Imanika Diamonds eNgoni. So before these teams go Munu Mutapa, ziyaqala idlale iLokhuzeni. Ama preliminary eLokhuzeni eChibuku ngeWednesday. Ubonani between Tail 1 le Triangle iphuma.
I tell you on these days ngathi ivukile.
Ivukile ndlu ye-Renters 2.
Siyavuma singayidli Tail Triangle. Engcono kule Lokhuzeni.
Ingcono kule Triangle. Okay. Between Tail 1 le Triangle bonani iphuma ewina. Which one is going through to the next round?
I tell you one Singapore.
Then Agama le Manika.
Agama
Manika.
Agama.
I'm manicking away.
Manika might go through. Masutu, let's do it.
My last words is, guys, Ubuto seshilo about accident and so forth. Now, this week we are closing isikolo, so abantu singathabi kakhulu sigcine sesingena ezinkingeni whereby abantu sebephozile uma sebesenza izinto ezingaqedakaliyo sigcine sekwenza izindawo. So asenzeni izinto ngonanzelelo, asenzeni izinto sikwazi ukuthi kusasa kule mpilo. Nanka ama team lawa esesibhekane lawo kuthiwa kuyini lawa kuthiwa ngoBlack Rock. Kuthiwa ngoBlack Rock kanje. Don't measure Jerusalem. Ungaqali ukuthi kuthiwa iJerusalem laliwile, yabona iJerusalem laliwile. Omunye umfana wayibona ukuthi but liya measure wathatha istrip wasesmeasure. So ama team amakhulu ameasure ama team amancane lokho kufile. So at the end of the day ugcine sechaywa. So eboreni don't measure ma kufuna ukurathabule 10 note ungaqali uhamba ngementality ukuthi uzakudla because uyagcina wena sophuma ngenyembezi.
So ngamanye amagama what you are simply saying is ama team amakhulu angakhayela ama team amancane phansi.
Akola Johnson eboreni.
Akola Johnson
eboreni. Guys, I think I've said this competition is different, but okuqhakathekile please subscribe. Angazi ukuthi ngutshele njani wena osibukeleyo nxa usibukele wafika lapha subscribe, please subscribe. And this episode as always was proudly brought to you by Lucky Base, our number one sponsor. Until next week guys, ciao.